Welcome to maths class. The next one is the first we are going to see about the parabola. In parabola, we know that SP by PM is equal to E, which is equal to 1. So SP equal to what? PM. SP square equal to PM square. So x minus x1 whole square. What is SP? Plus y minus y1 whole square equal to plus or minus ax1 plus by plus c by root of a square plus b square whole square. So that is how you have to find the equation of parabola when the focus and the directrix is given. The standard equation of the parabola, next point, is y square equal to 4ax. This is of the type open rightwards. See the curve here. This is x-axis, y-axis. The curve is open rightwards. So here vertex is what? 0, 0. So focus is what? A comma 0. And this is called directrix x equal to minus a. Now you consider the parabola y square equal to 4x. So what are the points regarding this y square equal to 4x? First point, it is symmetrical about x-axis. The meaning is the curve is the x-axis divides the curve into two equal parts. So then we say it is symmetrical about x-axis. Second point, x-axis is called axis of the parabola. Its equation is very simple. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0, or just you can see if it is of the form y square, you put y is equal to 0. That will be the equation. Vertex is clearly 0, 0. So equation of the directrix is what? X is equal to minus a, and LL dash, the line passing through the focus, LL dash is called what? Lateral rectum. Its length is what? LL dash is equal to 2a. So what is the corner lateral rectum we have defined here? It is a double ordinate passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. Next point is equation of the lateral rectum is x is equal to what? A, just opposite to directrix. Directrix x equal to minus a means what is the focus? X is equal to plus a. Next point, if h comma k is the vertex, then equation of the parabola. So you have taken here 0, 0 is the 0, 0 is the vertex. Here generally if it is h comma k, the equation is of the form y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Welcome to maths class. The other forms of the parabola. So first we have seen y square equal to 4ax. Now it is y square equal to minus 4ax. That is open leftwards. Open leftwards. Open leftwards. You see the curve, it's open leftwards. And this is also symmetrical about what? X-axis only. And here what are the changes? The focus is, it's left hand side of the x-axis, so minus a comma 0. The equation of the directrix, x is equal to plus a. So then the third type is x square is equal to 4ay, open upwards. It is open upwards. Here the focus will be 0 comma a. Directrix is what? Y is equal to minus a, because it is below the it is negative side of the y-axis. Correct? Here the focus is what? 0 comma a. Symmetrical about what? Y-axis. Equation of the axis, x is equal to 0. Isn't it? Because x square, so x is equal to 0. Directrix, y equal to minus a. Lateral rectum, y is equal to plus a. Length of the lateral rectum is same thing, 4a. Now fourth form is x square equal to minus 4ay, that is open downwards. So here it is open downwards. Y is equal to a is the directrix, and s of 0 comma minus a is the focus. So we have seen all the 4 types of the parabola. Exercise number 5.2. The first problem, first one, find the equation of the parabola. Focus is 4, 0 and directrix is x is equal to minus 4. And solution we have given that focus is what? 4, 0. It is of the form a, 0. It is of the form what? A, 0. Therefore, the equation of the parabola is of the form y square equal to, the equation is of the form y square equal to 4ax, because what is the focus we are given? It's of the form a, 0. So here a, 0 is 4, 0. That implies a is equal to 4. So y square equal to what? 4ax. 4 into 4a is what? 4 into a is 4 into x, that is equal to 16x, which is the required equation. Then second problem, symmetric about y-axis passing through 2 minus 3. It is open downwards and vertex is 0, 0. Solution, clearly it is given, it is open downwards, vertex is 0, 0. So what is the equation? X square equal to minus 4ay. So our aim is to find the value of a. So for that the information is it passes through 2 minus 3. You substitute x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. So you are getting 2 square equal to minus 4a into minus 3. That is 4a equal to what? 4 equal to what? 12a. So your a will be 4 by 12. A is equal to 1 by 3. So the equation 1 becomes what? X square equal to minus 4ay. 4 into 1 by 3 into y. That is x square equal to minus 4 by 3y. Then third problem, vertex is 1 minus 2. Focus is 4 minus 2. Since focus is in the right side of the y-axis, it is open rightwards. What is given? Vertex is 1 minus 2. Focus is 4 minus 2. So see the y values, both are minus 2. So we draw the line here, y equal to minus 2. So the point vertex is what? 1 minus 2 here, and s is marked here as 4 minus 2. So it is what? Right side of the y-axis. So then it will be automatically open rightwards. So it is open rightwards. So what is the formula here? The vertex is not 0, 0. So we have taken as what? Y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Now the vertex is 1 minus 2. So substitute here 1 minus 2, y plus 2 whole square equal to 4a into x minus 1. So here v is 1 minus 2 and s is 4 minus 2. So a, you know that a is nothing but distance between the vertex and focus, that is vs. That is, use the distance formula 4 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. So you are getting 3 square plus 0, that is nothing but 3. So a is what? 3. So y plus 2 whole square equal to 4 into 3 into x minus 1, that is 12 into x minus 1. So y plus 2 whole square equal to 12 into x minus 1, which is the required equation. Then fourth problem in this exercise, n points of lattice rectum are 4 minus 8 and 4 comma 8, and it is open rightward. Vertex is 0, 0. So here open rightward, vertex is 0, 0. So clearly the equation is of the form y square equal to what? 4ax. So what are the ends here? 4 minus 8 and 4 8. So it is also given L is equal to 4 comma 8, L dash equal to 4 comma minus 8. You know that L dash equal to what? 4a. So 4a is equal to distance between L and L dash, root of 4 minus 4, 8 plus 8, that is 0 plus 16 square equal to 16. So we are able to find the value of 4a directly as 16. So that implies y square equal to what? 16x. This is the required equation of the parabola. I hope you have understood the problems in parabola.